This one-story small modern house is a prime example of how thoughtful architecture can maximize the potential of a narrow plot, 10 meter by 30 meters, while creating a comfortable, open, and functional living space. Designed with modern sensibilities, this house focuses on clean lines, natural materials, and a strong indoor-outdoor connection, all while adhering to a minimalistic philosophy. With 3 bedrooms, an open-plan living area, and a central courtyard, the house achieves a delicate balance between spaciousness and intimacy, embracing natural light, air, and greenery. The guiding principle behind the design of this small modern home is simplicity and efficiency, with a focus on natural ventilation, natural light, and seamless integration between indoor and outdoor spaces. The central courtyard becomes the heart of the design, not only bringing in light and airflow, but also creating a serene space for relaxation and contemplation. The courtyard also allows for a visual extension of the indoor areas, making the house feel more spacious and airy. The exterior facade of this modern house is defined by its simplicity and elegance. The front facade is designed with a strong geometric composition, emphasizing horizontal lines that create a sense of stability and groundedness. The clean white concrete walls are contrasted with dark wooden cladding, which adds warmth to the design while softening the starkness of the modern lines. The courtyard is the focal point of the house, serving as a green oasis that brings nature into the heart of the home. This central space is designed as an extension of the living areas, providing an outdoor retreat for relaxation, dining, or gardening. The courtyard is surrounded by large glass sliding doors, which not only allow for seamless indoor-outdoor flow, but also ensure that natural light and fresh air permeate the interior spaces. The living room forms part of the open-plan layout and is positioned at the front of the house, facing the courtyard. This placement allows the living area to enjoy abundant natural light and views of the greenery. The living room is designed with modern simplicity in mind, featuring clean lines, neutral tones, and functional furniture. A large sofa faces the central courtyard, creating a comfortable gathering space for family and guests while maintaining a visual connection with the outdoors. The design of the courtyard emphasizes simplicity and tranquility. A combination of greenery, such as potted plants or a small tree, adds life and vibrancy to the space, while a stone or gravel floor enhances the minimalist aesthetic. Comfortable outdoor seating and a small table make the courtyard an ideal spot for enjoying morning coffee or evening meals. The 3 bedrooms are located along one side of the house, providing privacy while still benefiting from the courtyard's natural light and ventilation. The master bedroom is positioned at the rear of the house, offering a peaceful retreat with its own private view of the courtyard. The large sliding glass doors in the master bedroom create a direct connection to the outdoor space, allowing the residents to enjoy the garden-like ambiance from the comfort of their room. The bathrooms in this modern house are designed with the same minimalist philosophy as the rest of the home. Simple, elegant fixtures and finishes create a spa-like atmosphere, with natural materials such as stone and wood adding warmth and texture. The ensuite bathroom in the master bedroom features a walk-in shower with a frameless glass enclosure, a floating vanity, and sleek black fixtures. This one-story small modern house, designed for a 10 meters by 30 meter plot, demonstrates how thoughtful architecture can create a spacious, comfortable, and functional living environment within a limited footprint. By organizing the spaces around a central courtyard and prioritizing natural light, ventilation, and a strong indoor-outdoor connection, the house offers a perfect balance of modern living and tranquility. The minimalist design, sustainable features, and flexible layout make this house an ideal solution for modern living. Whether it serves as a family home, a couple's retreat, or a downscaled urban residence,